Hello everyone, today we will take a look at the chassis of the P7 Plus. When it comes to the P7 Plus, you may think of P7. In fact, P7 is a higher platform. P7 Plus and G6 belong to the same platform. Today, let's take a look at what are the similarities and differences between them. It has a simple double wishbone structure, with upper and lower A-arms. A full-frame subframe with 6 installation points. Then there are spiral springs and hydraulic shock absorbers. In terms of materials and craftsmanship, it has a welded front subframe of double-layer steel plates and forged aluminum alloy lower arm. They are the same as those of the G6, but the material and process have changed. P7 Plus adopts a double-layer steel plate design, while G6 is forged from aluminum alloy. Compared to that, the upper swing arm of P7 Plus looks a bit thin. Of course, the cost will be lower. In terms of power steering, P7 Plus uses the same DPEPS dual-pinion electric power steering system as used in the G6, which can achieve the transmission of large torque while also keeping costs low. The front brake of the P7 Plus is the same as the G6, which is a floating front disc brake. The two piston front bodies are made of cast iron, balancing cost and performance. The brake disc size is the same as G6 because they share the same platform. This is the rear suspension of the P7 Plus. We can see that the rear suspension adopts the same 5-link independent suspension as G6. The shock absorber and spring are separately arranged. This 5-link suspension not only ensures handling stability but also enhances ride comfort. The fully framed rear subframe is welded by steel plate stamping, with a total of 4 mounting points, are connected to the body through rubber bushings. However, we can see that the P7 Plus rear suspension differs slightly from the G6. The swing arms of P7 Plus are all made of steel plate stamping, while the upper swing arm of G6 is made of forged aluminum alloy. The bottom guard plate of the lower support arm of G6 is also cancelled on P7 Plus. Compared with G6, P7 Plus has done some cost reduction. The rear brake of P7 Plus is the same as that of G6. It's a single-piston floating front disc brake. The front body is made of cast iron. Through the comparison of the chassis structure and materials, we find that although both the P7 Plus and the G6 are from the same platform, there are still some differences in design. The P7 Plus chassis strategy involves cost reduction based on the original platform, while meeting performance requirements. Further optimize the cost of compression parts. This is today's introduction to the chassis of XPENG P7 Plus and its comparison with G6. Please stay tuned to Autodata's will continue bringing you more exciting automotive content